Orúkọ Kuntolulope. I'm the founder of Think Electric Africa. Waste to wealth will remain a myth if people do not have access to required equipment to convert those waste to wealth.
In my country, Nigeria, 42 million tons of waste are generated annually. Only less than 10% of plastic waste is actually recycled. The bulk of this waste generated ends up constituting nuisance for the environment. They clog our waterways, threaten the life in the ocean, and breed different kinds of diseases. This waste could have been recycled for a reasonable income generation. In many environmental sustainability forums there have been, my interactions with young women and men who are keen about recycling have always centered on the cost of equipment they could not afford, which is actually slowing down their activities, hence making the venture not so profitable. Then it dawned on me to find a solution to this problem. And with my engineering background and together with my team, we were able to come up with mini recycling machines that can get many people started on a profitable recycling business. We have mini shredder, mini compactor, mini injector, different kind of modes, and we have an online platform as a marketplace where waste generator meets with recyclers, and recyclers then can post their products online for people to buy. In all of this, as this transaction is going on, we charge a level of commission, and that is what we have been able to do, and we hope to scale up to the whole world soon enough. Thank you very much.